Hey everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing Flame King Propane Check Gauge Meter. So this will help us and let us know how much gas we have left in our propane tank on our grill. So let's get installing. It's very simple to install. First, you're going to want to disconnect your line if it's not done so. If you need instructions on how it works, you can pause the video right here and you can go ahead and see how it's supposed to go. And I always like to wear gloves when I'm doing this kind of stuff. You don't want to get the gas on your hands. So when you put it on, make sure it's on there nice and tightly before you go ahead and thread the other end inside your tank. Now, when I mentioned about gas, sometimes it can be really cold because of the temperature of it. So I wear gloves just in case something sprays out a little bit. 9 times out of 10, nothing happens, but you just never know. So I like to be safe. And voila, we are done. It's that simple.